Want to make money online but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'll show you exactly how I started a dropshipping business from scratch, with zero inventory and zero experience. Watch till the end, and you'll be ready to launch your own store. Step 1. Choosing a niche and product. The first step is to choose a profitable niche. I looked for products with high demand but low competition. I used platforms like AliExpress, Amazon, and TikTok to research trending products. Here's a quick tip. Problem-solving products sell best. If it solves a pain point, it's more likely to go viral. Step 2. Building the store. Next, I created my store using Shopify's free trial. I picked a clean, free theme, uploaded high-quality product photos, and wrote compelling descriptions using the formula problem plus solution plus call to action. You don't need coding, it's all drag and drop. Step 3. Marketing and first sales. Then I moved to marketing. I started posting short-form videos on TikTok and Instagram Reels, product demos without showing my face. I got my first sale within 7 days, 100% organically. Then I tested a $5 Facebook ad, and it brought back 3 times the investment. Step 4. Fixing issues. Early on, I faced some issues, mostly slow shipping and customer messages. That's when I switched to CJ Dropshipping for faster delivery and better tracking. Also, I added a clear return policy and made sure to respond to customers within 24 hours. The biggest lesson? Be consistent. Choose the right product, focus on your branding, and don't stop marketing. Dropshipping isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you stick with it, it can absolutely change your life. Drop a comment with your niche idea, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.